Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language of your Samsung TV. So let's press settings on my remote. Open this up, then just press the middle dial button. And then go on down under the screen till we get to this symbol, General and Privacy. Then go all the way down under here. And we're looking for language. So I think this is the first little down triangle on here. So if I look at it, I can select it. Here's the different languages through here. So I can choose one of these. It looks like mostly European kind of languages. And yeah, we can choose one of these now. And is that Korean, the last one? So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.